Hey guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. Yes, y'all, your eyes are not deceiving you. We are at Walgreens. Now, y'all know I only pull up at Walgreens if the deals are really good, and we actually have a couple of really good deals to get into this week. So I decided to pull up because they are going to be super easy, and we are going to be in and out of here. So the first deal I want to do is this buy two, get a third free on the oral care products, and you can mix and match the oral care. So the first things I want to grab are these 16.9 ounce bottles of Crest with Scope. They are $3.49 and they're included in this buy two, get a third free deal. So we're going to pick up three of these as the first item in our deal. The second thing I'm going to grab is three of the Crest 3D White toothpaste. So these are $3.59, but of course they are also buy two, get the third one free. So we're going to grab three of these. I'm going to grab three of these Arctic Fresh right here, and I will show you what coupons we're going to be using. All right, so this is our complete oral care deal. We have three of the 3D White toothpaste, $3.59, buy two, get one free. And we have three of the Scope, $3.49, buy two, get one free. We are going to use two digital coupons on these six items. We have an $8 off of four digital coupon that you want to have loaded, and we have a $5 off of two digital coupon that you want to have loaded. Now, I know what you may be thinking, we're only getting six products, two of them are free. Is the coupons, are they going to apply to these six products? Yes, they are still applying to these six products, even though two of them are free. So once we buy all six and we get the $8 coupon and the $5 coupon deducted, we end up paying $1.18 for all six of these items. Now, let me caution you, if you have a lower value coupon already clipped to your account, like a $1 off or a $2 off, unclip those and make sure that you only have the two that I have up on the screen clipped so that your coupons can apply successfully. And also scan the items on the Walgreens app that you pick up to make sure that they are attaching to both of those coupons. Now, I also have a booster on my account that is 3,000 points back when you spend $15 or more. This is a thank you booster that is exclusive to my account. You may have the same one or a different value, like 5,000 points when you spend 25. Because I want to make sure that I spend over $15, I am also going to do this Poise deal. So the Poise are on a really good register reward deal, I think until the end of the month, where you buy two and you get back a $5 register reward. So I'm going to buy two of these products at 2 for $10. I'm going to use our 5 off of 2 digital coupon. I'll pay $5 and then get my $5 back in a register reward, making them absolutely free. I also have a 3,000 point booster on the Poise Ultra Thin pads, so I'm going to buy those ultra thin pads, hoping I can make this deal a moneymaker. All right, you guys, so this is my first transaction that I'm hoping will be free after all of our digital coupons and points back. So I have my Crest and my Scope items. We're going to be using the $8 off digital coupon on those and the $5 off digital coupon. I have my two Poise items. We're going to be using that 5 off of 2. And I have a 3,000 point booster for spending 15 and a 3,000 point booster for the Poise. So I should pay about $6.16, I think, out of pocket, or $6.18, something like that out of pocket, and then I should get back 6,000 points. So I'm going to pay with cash to ensure that I get my points back, because with those exclusive point boosters, you need to pay with cash in order to get those points back. So let's go up to the front and see how this all digital deal works. All right, you guys, this worked out so good. So this is everything that we got right there. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. This turned out to be a $5 money maker. So there is the Crest, $3.59 and free. There is the Scope, $3.49 and free. And then there is the two Poise at $10. Let me show you our digital coupon. So there is my $15 point booster that gave me 3,000 points. There is my 5 off of 2 digital coupon for the Poise, and then there is my 2 $8 and $5 coupons. These were digitals as well for the Crest and Oral-B items. Subtotal came up to $6.16. I paid that with cash out of pocket because we wanted to get back these points right here. So I got back 6,000 points. So I got back all of the money that I paid in points. So this was only 16 cents. And then I got back a $5 register reward for the Poise, and I got back two $4 coupons for the Poise as well. So I can do this deal again, and it would actually be a money maker because these $4 coupons would make it $2, and then I get back another $5 register reward. That is the bomb. And then I got back a $7 coupon for a point booster when I spend 30. So this has been a good situation. If you are preparing for the beauty event, you can save that $5 register reward, but y'all know I don't really do the beauty event like that, so we're going to spend that $5 today. Okay, so I actually decided to come back over here and do this Poise deal again to get me $5 more, make this a bigger money maker, because when I scanned my receipt into Fetch, I saw that I was $2 away from hitting a Fetch bonus for the Poise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy two more of these Poise products. These are 2 for $10. I'm going to try to use these two $4 Catalinas that just printed for me. I should pay $2. I'm going to use points to pay, so no money out of pocket, and then hopefully I will get back a $5 register reward and hit my Fetch rewards bonus. So let's see how this works. All right, you guys, so that second transaction with the 2 additional Poise worked out perfectly. Those two $4 coupons scanned with no issue. So I paid $2 and I did use points to pay, so no money out of pocket, just paid the 70 cents in tax, and I got back another $5 register reward for the Poise. So now I have $10 back in register rewards, and I also hit my Fetch bonus for the Poise, and I got back another $1.30 or 1,300 points from Fetch rewards. So this was a beautiful situation with this Poise, you guys. So we had 2 moneymaker transactions. We have only spent $6 out of pocket. We got back our Fetch money, and we got back $10 in register rewards, and we've gotten back 6,000 points. So this has all been free so far. Now what I'm going to do is spend these register rewards. All right, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to get now is some of this Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper. So this is $5, and we have an IBC or store coupon for $1.25 off of one, making them only $3.75. I also have one of these 75% off printable coupons left, so I'm going to use this as well because that makes these only $3. I'm going to grab 2 of these today. The next thing I'm going to grab is one of the Persil laundry detergent. You can also do the Tide as well. We have $2 digital coupons on both, but I am going to grab the Persil. This is on sale for $5.99. This is on sale for $5.99, and we have a $2 digital coupon, and we have a $2 cashback rebate on checkout 51. I am going to need a small filler item for my second register reward to attach to, so I could grab some of this Ajax laundry detergent. It is 99 cents, which is a great deal for laundry detergent, but instead I'm going to grab some of this Dawn for 99 cents. No coupon, it's just going to be a filler to our $5 register reward. If you are interested, the $5 off of 3 digital coupon is working on the travel size Pantene at Walgreens, so you can grab 3 of these for just $1. I'm going to get mine from Dollar General instead because our new $5 off of 3 digital is also working there, making them free plus 50 cents in overage. But if you're doing the beauty event, this is a great item to add in as a filler item to get your total up to $25. All right, you guys, so this is my second transaction right here. I got 4 items. We got 2 of the Scott Extra Soft. These are going to be $3.75 after our $1.25 store coupon. Then we have 1 of the Persil for $5.99. You can use the $2 digital coupon or the $2 paper coupon right there. And then we have a Dawn dish liquid as a filler item. We are going to be using our 2 $10 register rewards plus the 75% off coupon for 1 pack of the Scott and the $2 coupon for the Persil. After that, I should pay about $1 and some change out of pocket. I am going to use points to pay, and I will get back my money for the Persil for checkout 51. So I'll get back $2, making this another winning transaction. So let's go up to the front and do this last deal and see how everything works out. All right, you guys. So our final transaction was beautiful as well. Let me show you a close up of my receipt. So here is everything that we got. We got the Dawn, we got the Persil, we got the two Scott. I used the $1.25 off store coupon for the Scott that you see there, deducting $2.50. The $2 coupon for the Persil, the 75-cent off for the Scott, and my two $5 register rewards. Subtotal came up to $1.73. I redeemed $2 in points and paid some change in tax only, and we got no points back. But I am still up on my points because of the points that we earned. So that was so good. And I redeemed back for $2 on checkout 51 for the Persil. So we got the $2 that we spent in points right back in cash from checkout 51. Y'all, this was a beautiful situation. We spent $6 in cash in that first transaction, and everything else was paid for since then. This is bomb, plus the $2 in cash back, and we're still up in our points. Y'all, this is a good situation at Walgreens. And we got Persil, and we got our Scott, and we have all of these oral care goodies. So I hope these deals were helpful to you all. If they were, please check below for a written breakdown and thumbs up the video. I thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.